Hello all, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Today we are going to be discussing about the cybersecurity IAM tool, which is called Okta. Wow, very famous. So in cybersecurity, there are 200 plus modules which are going to be available. 200 plus. Yes, there is ethical hacking, penetration testing, blah, lot of things. But in cybersecurity, IAM tools are very famous. In that, we will be having the ping identity, ping access, ping 1, Okta, 40, and SailPoint. There are multiple things. In that, Okta is very much important and very interesting one. And the name Okta is very interesting. So what is this Okta basically, guys? Let me tell you. I just want to write the definition. I don't want to waste the time. Okay. Let me write down. Okta. Okta is a a cloud-based, cloud-based identity access management, cloud-based IAM. Okay. IAM means what? You know that, huh? Identity, identity access management. Okay. Identity access management platform. Okay, this is something like a IAM tool, Identity Access Management Platform, that provides secure access. That provides secure access. Okay, secure access for users to applications. Users to applications. Very good. Okta is cloud-based IAM, identity access management platform, that provides a secure access for users to applications. Very nice. Not only applications, guys, APIs, APIs, and devices also, and devices. It acts as a central authentication and authorization system. What? It acts as a central authentication, and authorization. Okay, I already told you there are two important concepts. Authorization. Yes. Wait. Yeah, this one. Yes, authentication and authorization. I already told you what is authentication, what is authorization. Authentication is something like a input. Suppose, for example, I want to give my username and password. Please check it out now. Check it out. Check it out means authorization. Okay, this user and this password is valid user, not valid user. That is coming under authorization. It acts as a central authentication and authorization system for organizations. Wow. System for organizations. Organizations. Wow. This is very clear. Hmm. There are some other platforms like PingFederate, CyberArk, 4G SailPoint, a lot of other things. But Okta is going to be a very important for the IAM. Why? Because this is cloud-based IAM, and its key features. I want to tell you the key features of the Okta. Let me tell you the key features of the Okta. Very much important. This is very much important. So I just want to upload a lot of videos on Okta, guys. Wait. One by one, we will deal with. Okay. The first key feature is superb. SSO, single sign-on. Single sign-on with one user, one password. He can able to access multiple applications. This is working with single sign-on. Yeah, in IAM, this is the famous word buzzword, single sign-on. In IAM, Single sign-on is a buzzword. And one more important buzzword is called MFA, multi-factor authentication. So, in the previous videos, I already explored about MFA concept. MFA is very much important to give the high security for the data. Multi-factor authentication, not only the username and password, not only the OTPs, not only the face recognition, not only the thumb recognition, not only the retina recognition. There are multiple layers which are going to be giving for authorization. Multi-factor authentication. Authentication is very, very important. This MFA is actually there with Okta. So this is something like adds extra layers on security. Adds extra layers on security. That is the very much important for the IAM tool. So two factors, okay. One is SSO, single sign-on. That is okay. Give claps. Then MFA, multi-factor authentication. That is also superb. That is also super. And the third one, life cycle management. Third one is life cycle management. This is actually very, very important in Okta. And there is something called universal directory, stores and manage the user profiles from multiple sources like LDAP, AD, HR system, universal directory. That is the fourth important advantage, which is going to be having like a universal directory. Universal directory. This is a very much important. Then one more important feature of the Okta is fifth one Okta feature, adaptive authentication. And before that, API access management. I just want to write it. API access management. API access management. Wow, super. API access management. So when we are going to be connecting to the multiple different kind of applications, this is providing with API access. Wow, super. That is more and more security. That is giving more and more security. And the sixth one, I just want to write. Let me write sixth one somewhere here. Okay, so the sixth feature I'm writing here. The sixth feature is adaptive authentication. Users contextual data like device, location, behavior for access the decisions. Adaptive authentications. Adaptive. Adaptive authentications. Wow. Super. This is what actually Okta is. Sorry. This is what actually Okta is. The seventh feature is most important feature, integration network. The seventh feature is a very important feature, integration network. Integration network. So these number of features Okta is providing, guys. These number of features Okta is providing. So cybersecurity, in cybersecurity, people are actually looking for the cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is not a course. It is an environment. In cybersecurity, there is a concept like IAM. Okay, let me write down something like IAM. IAM, Identity Access Management. Lot of big organizations, even like financial systems, even like software companies, even like health insurance, health related, all the companies which are going to be following the IAM nowadays. Okta is going to be a cloud-based IAM management platform that provides secure access, more users to applications. Security is more important, sir. Nowadays, data is going to be generating very huge. How you can save your organization data? For example, there is a home. For home, there is a number of locks. There is a home. There are number of locks. The same time, there is an organization. Million people are working in the organization. They have to they have to secure their organization. They have to secure their own data. The security which is going to be providing by the Okta, identity access management. Some new employee is going to be joining. Which application I want to give the access? Which application I want to stop it? That kind of see, I already told you SSO, MFA, lifecycle management, universal directory, API access management, adaptive authentications, integration network. Wow, this number of features which are going to be working with that. So that is the why reason I am sincerely saying that this is the number one platform for the IAM. Okta is the number one platform for the IAM. And there are some other like Ping Access, PingFederate, and 40 CyberArk, and SailPoint. There are multiple other things. Okta is nowadays very, very famous. Just keep your resume like that. You will be getting the calls. You can able to easily join for the companies. Let me show how the Okta openings are there. Okay, if I open the Naukri, I am going to be searching like cybersecurity, IAM, Okta, SSO, search for the jobs. Huge number of job openings. Huge number of job openings. No need to regret about it. If you open the LinkedIn, cybersecurity, IAM, Okta, SSO, check it out. Check it out. Huge number of job openings. People are thinking like cybersecurity, cybersecurity. What cybersecurity, sir? Cybersecurity have n number of modules inside. In that, you have to choose the Okta. Okta is going to be a very, very famous technology, which is going to be having a huge number of job openings in the market. Let me go with the found it. Same keywords I searched for. Huge number of job openings. Huge number of job openings. You can go with the Indeed.com. Indeed.com also 5,000 plus jobs. Indeed is a small platform basically. Even Indeed also going to be providing a lot of job opportunities for you. So guys, Mohansh Technologies is going to be giving only emerging technologies like cybersecurity, IAM tools like PingFederate, Ping Access, Okta One, Okta, and full stack MERN Python full stack. Just I want to give you one simple announcement, guys. This full stack ML and AI, full stack MERN AI, on October 20th, we are going to be starting new free batches. 45 days free batches. Python full stack ML AI. Outside, people are charging 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs, but we are giving free of cost. Free of cost. No need to pay money for that. Okay, I will give you the WhatsApp group in the comment box. You can just join it. No need to pay money. Full stack Python ML AI free. Full stack MERN AI free. Already Python batch is going on free. Already HTML, CSS, JavaScript batch is going on free. Sir, Mohansh Technologies is going to be providing, sirs and madams, I am telling. Mohansh Technologies is going to be providing all the programming languages are free of cost. Even Groovy with AI free. Even this Go language with AI free. No need to pay money. No need to pay money. We have some different kind of technologies. You can see Mohan's strategy is different. Mohan's strategy is only emerging technologies which are going to be having highly demanding in the market, which are going to be giving the jobs for you. Blockchain Web3.js, blockchain security, blockchain Python, quantum computing. Wow. Quantum computing is going to be a very, very emerging technology. This central government, state government, Chandrababu Naidu garu and Modi garu is going to be giving 1,000 crores of rupees on this quantum computing research. Even quantum computing is going to be having a huge number of jobs available actually. People are saying that jobs are not available, jobs are not available. Jobs are available, sir. Jobs are available. But we are still, we are still learning C. We are still learning C++. We are still learning uh, the, the old technologies like testing, that is not a big deal actually. We are human being. Okay. Technology is not a master. That already developed by the human beings only. We have to achieve the emerging technologies that will give you the next 20 to 30 years food, food and reputation. Food and reputation automatically, you have to go with the emerging technologies, what Mohan's technology is going to be providing for you. These are the emerging technologies. You have to go with that emerging technologies. And one more thing I want to tell you. For Okta, there is no coding. No need to worry about the coding. No programming here, only the integration part. Okta is very simple, integration part. You need to understand the SSO, you need to understand the MFA, you need to understand the different kind of integration parts. That's what actually I want to tell you guys. And in the next video, we will be having the more and more additional topics on this Okta. So please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If anybody not subscribed so far, please go with the subscription. And please click on the bell icon for the further notifications. Comments are needed, sir. Please provide your comments. So based on the comments, we will give you the number of other videos also. If some other people are actually looking for Okta, sir, I want this topic, that topic. Yeah, we will give you the number of topics in the YouTube channel. That is okay. Am I clear? Yes. So thank you for attending the session. Have a good day. See you signing off. Bye.